Okay, let's go, kitty. Wow.
See how
this
they
guy.
clean the bangus?
Yeah.
Milk?
Yeah.
They take out the bone.
Look how fast he is. How do you say shrimp?
Shrimp, supo. Or...
Hey, my friend.
Shout out.
Shout out, my friend. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Pampanga. Pampanga.
Pampanga.
No money, no honey.
Oi. Hello.
Fish head. What do you do with that? You make
You
soup?
make sinigang.
Sinigang?
Yeah.
Pompano? Pompano?
Kulay na.
Magkano the pompano?
Magkano isang kilo?
380 lang po.
380.
380 kilo?
Tapos,
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's this?
Sanigi, I think. It's sanigi. That's the red snapper.
Wow, that's good, right?
Yes.
Hello.
shrimp.
Sushi. They cut it for you.
Oh, they're gonna make sushi. $4.25 for one plate. Whoa. Thank you.
Yes, sir, crab, sir.
Wow.
Big crabs, king crabs. Quality.
Thank you, thank you. Hey, honey, how you doing?
I'm good.
Kitty, let's go look at the baboy.
Pork, sir.
Wow, baboy.
Uy, baka.
That's a rough. Hello. How's you?
Is it taking photo or
Wow.
Oxtail. Oxtail.
Oxtail?
Yes.
Macano oxtail.
$5.50.
Are you making soup with that? Will you make soup?
I don't know. What is it?
Oxtail.
Oxtail. Oh, you do it with the curry. Curry.
Thank you, honey. Thank you. We make movie. We slide around. You were right. There's a lot of seafood here.
Yeah.
More than any place I've seen besides down there on...
Yeah, you can see there's like crabs, like with all
Ma'am, supo ma'am. Tiger prawns.
Oh, the prawns. Magkano the prawns?
180, sir. 1,180.
Per kilo?
Yes.
Is that good?
It is
Yes,
good
it's
for
a good
grilling.
deal.
Okay, we're walking and I'm moving. Thank you.
Yeah, for 50.
Yeah.
Grill them with cheese on it. Or
Man,
you can actually bake.
look, they got everything here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Big, sir. Sunday. Crab.
Oh, it's big.
Yeah.
Magkano the crab?
1 kilo.
How many's in a kilo?
700 grams, 1 piece.
Two piece, 1.5.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, crab, ma'am. It's kami po.
Yes, sir.
Dalawang bangus. Make a video, guys.
Sir, sir,
Hi, sir. Hello, man.
Freshwater po, river prawn.
Let's look at the veggie.
Lan.
Let's go look at the veggie.
They have 3,500 per kilo for the lobster.
Is that good?
I don't know. Maybe you should just go to the Solaire and pay for the 3,500 and eat all you want.
If your brother was here, we would be broke. You know that, right? Wow, look at the veggies. Come on, let's go this way.
Wala yung kanyang hello.
Whoa. Kitty, what's this? What's the different ones?
These are
I've had that.
steaks. I think this is rice.
What's this one?
Buko. Steam rice cake, sir.
That's a coconut, buko?
No, it's
That's
not.
egg and cheese.
Okay.
This one is sticky rice. Cassava.
Yeah, this is the one I
Cassava.
brought home. You didn't try it.
We'll be back. We make movies.
Here, food court.
Okay, let's check it out. Wow. Masarap?
Yes, sir. Shanghai. Pork.
Do you have seafoods here?
We have cream, crabs, lobster.
Check this out. Let me finish with my movie. You here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my friends, that's the farmer's market. In Manila.